Hey guys, all right, so I got the tank out of this Dodge, and let me show you what I'm doing here. All right, got my little jumper pack. I got it hot wired into the pump itself. The pump is actually running right now as we speak. I got the hose running to the gas can. When you're doing stuff like this, you have to be super careful. You have to make sure that you're in an extremely well ventilated area. I got fans running everywhere, so there is air blowing constantly right around me. Because fumes, obviously, are explosive, and you can have a fire. So just got to be extremely careful when you're doing stuff like this. I actually ran those leads and hooked the jumper box up over there near my toolbox. Sorry about that. Anyway, and I walked it over here, but anyway. So it's all hooked up, and let's see what we got. Oh, one thing is we don't really have to worry about the tank venting. It's wide open right now, you know. So everything should allow it to vent. And that's what we got. That's all the pressure this thing's producing. So that tells me we got a bad pump. But what's killing me is this thing had an intermittent problem of bogging down, like it was running out of fuel. And I never actually experienced it. I experienced it one time for a split second, and that was it. So what that issue was, who knows? But I'm going to take this pump out, and I'm going to look in the tank. Unless there's something in the tank that I didn't notice that's floating around in there that's plugging up the strainer in this thing, I don't know. But that's the next step. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Keep wrenching.